properties, can help repair and rejuvenate dry and damaged skin on the feet. The antioxidants in olive oil also combat oxidative stress, preventing premature aging and promoting healthier skin. Natural ingredients have long been used in skincare because of their potent properties and ability to enhance the skin's health. In the realm of anti-aging foot care, natural ingredients can offer new nourishment, moisturization, and rejuvenation that combat dryness, roughness, and other concerns. One key natural ingredient for anti-aging foot care is shea butter. Derived from shea tree nuts, shea butter is a powerhouse of vitamins A, E, and F, as well as fatty acids that deeply moisturize and nourish the skin. Regular use of shea butter can restore moisture to dry and cracked feet, promoting softness and suppleness. Coconut oil, with its high levels of fatty acids, is another excellent moisturizer in the natural ingredient arsenal. It softens the skin, reduces roughness, and even diminishes the appearance of calluses. Plus, coconut oil's antimicrobial properties help to prevent infections and maintain foot health. Aloe vera gel, known for its soothing and hydrating properties, can bring relief to dry and irritated feet. By locking in moisture and aiding in healing, aloe vera gel leaves skin smoother and softer. It's a perfect choice for combating foot dryness and inflammation. Tea tree oil is a powerful natural antiseptic that can prevent and treat foot-related infections like athlete's foot. With its antibacterial and antifungal properties, it fights itching, redness, and odor while keeping feet hygienic. Epsom salt is extremely beneficial when used as a soak. By immersing your feet in warm water with Epsom salt, you can reduce swelling, alleviate tiredness, and relieve joint pain. The magnesium in Epsom salt also promotes exfoliation for softer, rejuvenated skin. Lemon juice, thanks to its high citric acid content, helps soften dead skin cells and remove impurities. Regular use of lemon juice can lighten darkened foot skin and reduce the appearance of age spots, creating a brighter and more even tone. Olive oil, known for its nourishing properties, repairs and rejuvenates dry and damaged foot skin. The antioxidants in olive oil combat oxidative stress, preventing premature aging and promoting healthier skin. With the continued use of these natural ingredients, you can expect to see a noticeable improvement in the appearance and feel of your feet. Dryness, roughness, and calluses will be reduced, leaving your feet soft, smooth, and comfortable. In addition to the physical benefits, taking the time to care for your feet with these natural ingredients can also provide a soothing and relaxing experience. Promoting overall well-being. It's important to note that while these natural ingredients can be highly effective in anti-aging foot care, consistency is key. Incorporating these ingredients into your daily foot care routine and using them regularly will yield the best results. Additionally, it is always advisable to perform a patch test before using any new ingredient, especially if you have sensitive skin or any known allergy. IE's Title: Anti-Aging Foot Care, Natural Ingredients for Soft and Smooth Feet. Introduction. As we age, the importance of taking care of our feet increases. While many skincare routines focus on the face and hands, neglecting foot care can lead to dryness, roughness, calluses, and other signs.